स्पीकर सर
तिगूर पणजेन मेळना.
MG रोडाचेर तिगूर विकपा लागले 100 रुपयान
ते मार्केटान
घेऊन बसपा लागले रस्त्यार
त्यातून मेळना तिगूर.
रस्त्यार तिगूर मेळूंक लागले. एक इव्हेंट जालो तो आतां पयलींच आयलो पणजे बुडटली आनी तुमी ताजेर इव्हेंट एक करचो. बट स्मार्ट इज बिकम नाव स्टुपीड and now what you have is a stupid city with a waste of money.
See, we have actually 2-3. There was a mess basically created by one MD which we heard earlier by the name of Mr. Chaudhary. He is the basically main culprit of creating all this mess as far as the smart city is concerned. No, so after that basically the real work started actually after that, after Chaudhary left. No, I understand. And I understand the difficulties that the people of Panjim basically has faced also during this work which we carried out of as far as the smart city is concerned. So I feel sorry for the people of Panjim because they have suffered. I know I cannot do much basically.
Is that there is nothing smart in the smart city and people are suffering. Now, Speaker sir, crores of rupees have been spent by irresponsible consultants. We want a house committee to investigate this.
Honorable Chief Minister मंत्रीने admit केला एकलो कोण नाव गेल तेणे ते नाव म्हाका खबर ना ते नाव तुझे तेजेर एक्शन जातले हेजे see public amount has gone down the drain, so there has to be a house committee inquiry.
स्पीकर सी डिपार्टमेंटाक काम करता सर मिनिस्टरान जर सांगले आसत आपण स्वतः इन्क्वायरी करपाक सुरवात केल्या म्हणून सांगला त्यांनी इंटरव्हीन करता काही गजाली ज्यो जाल्या त्यो चुकल्या आम्ही रेक्टिफाय करता ताणेंय सांगला स्मार्ट सिटीचेर आम्ही नवीन सीओ घातला ओके आणि इट इज एन इंटर डिपार्टमेंटल इश्यूज सगळ्या डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन कोऑर्डिनेट करचे पडटा काही
करून जायना म्हणटा तो
मुख्यमंत्र्याचे कंप्लीट करपाक दिया न्ही
काम फुडले काम जे आसा फुडले काम
सांगूंक ना तुका. हांवें सांगलां just wait for another 6 months time it will happen.